gonna show you what is included in this package. It comes with a really detailed instruction. Just by reading it, I think you should be able to install the headlight really easily. In the package, it comes with 2 headlights and 2 LED fog lights. For the headlight itself, it looks really clean and it's a bit heavy. I guess the manufacturer just put some really good material. Looks really solid. This is something called air-free. I think you just need to plug into the headlight. This is just a conversion kit. So if you're driving a TJ, you're gonna need it. If you're driving a JK, you can just throw it away. This is a LED fog light. It's not huge, but looks really decent. For installation, you need to remove 3 bolts. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. You can take it off. There's another 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. After you remove all these 3 bolts, there should be 6 in total. You should be able to remove the handle. Low beam, high beam.